You know, some people have heavily criticized the payout to the sugar workers. There have been many criticisms. Some people are saying the money was not fairly shared and all this kind of thing. What do you say to that?
There have been criticisms because some people, I think, said they have been left out. But I want to say to those who feel or say they have been left out, there was ample time for them to make their claim. The deadline was placed in the initial stage and then extended because we found that people were wanting to, there were people who may not have heard initially. So you had that extension. Now, in Nevis, for example, there's some people who had called into the office there and wondered what to do. We directed them to make their applications, make their claim, provide the information so they could share in the disbursement of the funds. But you'll find, I said, those who have complained that some got more, some got less. And I think they ignore or deliberately ignore the procedure and the parameters which were used, the criteria which were used, because the criteria in terms of length of service, the level at which they were being paid during their years of service in the sugar industry, and things like that had to be taken into consideration to come to a formula so that there could be that equity and fairness in the disbursement of the funds. But you'll get people who will criticize. But I don't think those criticisms are founded, and we as a government just have to know that we did what we thought was right, what we promised, and that we did it in the best interest of those who have benefited. And I know that there's still people who are making submissions of their names, and the government, as far as I know, will seek to find a way of making any adjustments.